basically pull the center part out here. My understanding is there's some little things in here if I can see them. And that's how you take those off. Okay, you line up this with the little holes here. Nope. Let's see. Line my pin up. Nope. There it goes. Yep. Okay. So you want to pop those out. Try not to lose the part like I did. And it secures in place with this. And oh shit, handle for your friends now. All right, catch the little tab in the back, lift up, you feel it let go in the back, keep the pressure on that side, lift that, it comes right out. And install the sunshade. Here's the part number. We'll also put it in the comments below. You should want these tabs to be slightly lifted before you install it, because these are what secure it in place, so make sure that they're up just a little bit. Then you want to line your pins up with your lower holes. Apply pressure until it pops firmly in place, and then move the securing buttons in place, and now you have a side visor that Mini should have included to begin with.